Another reminder that we have a test coming up. You should have that date on your calendar with reminders set. Remember that the pre-test has to be completed the day before the test. If not, you'll lose 5% of your mark. And again, if you don't have these notes printed, you should be writing all of this down so you have a set to study and revise from. So 3 quick sketches here. You should know how to graph these. Please do so. Now the f of x equals x squared is a quadratic function, but it's also a polynomial. And we were talking about some properties of functions. Do you remember what we said? Look at these graphs here. You'll notice that the graph of the f of x is the same as the graph of f of negative x. What did we say is true if the f of x equals the f of negative x? We said that this is an even function. You can see that it's reflecting across the y-axis. You know, this might be a good time to also say something to those of you choosing to watch these videos in double time. First of all, I know my voice sounds weird when you do that. Second, you're not learning. The reason we take time to write things down, the reason I leave spaces when I'm talking, silence, is so that your mind has a chance to think about and catch up with the concepts I'm trying to get you to understand. If you're watching the video for a second time, third time, fourth time, fine, watch it in double time. The first time, you should be listening, writing, and thinking. Another set of graphs I would like you to do. Can you sketch those, please? What do we notice this time? We notice that the graph of the negative f of x is the same as the graph of f of negative x. What did we say when the f of negative x equals the negative f of x? We told us, or we said then, that this function is odd. And you'll notice if I hold a pin at the origin and turn it 180 degrees, it's the same. This is an odd function. 3 more graphs for you to sketch. I hope you were able to graph these, find key points for each of them. And we notice here that the f of x is not equal to the f of negative x, and the f of negative x is not equal or not the same as the negative f of x. That tells us the square root function is neither odd nor even. So these are some examples of that property we were talking about for functions: odd, even, or neither. I've also included in this set of notes some study pages. You can fill these in and use them to help you remember what function applies to what. It has all of the information in one place. I would strongly suggest you fill this in. Stick it up on your bathroom mirror, on your refrigerator, beside your bed, and look at it often until you're familiar with all of these ideas.